Hey everyone, is your contact form getting spammed every single day? And you got fake names, fake emails, and useless messages. But no worries, in this video I will show you how to stop spam completely by adding Google reCAPTCHA version 3. No puzzles, no checkboxes, and your visitors won't even notice it. Now come to this new tab and search here Google reCAPTCHA. Here is the official website of reCAPTCHA. Click on this. Here you have to select get started and scroll. You can find here the get started option again. Now select this. Alright, here you can see the label option. You have to put the website name of yours. Go to your website and select this. Here you have to remember one thing, that I only copy the www.mywebsitename and .com. Now go to the reCAPTCHA website and put it here. In the label option, you don't need www. Option also, so remove it. Now scroll and you can find this option, score based version 3. You have to select this. Okay, here is the domains option. You have to put your domain with www.yourwebsite.com. Okay, now scroll and you can see the submit option. Click on this submit. Here you got two keys. One is the site key, another is secret key. First, copy the site key and go to your WordPress dashboard. Here is the contact and you have to select the integration. Scroll here and you can find the reCAPTCHA version 3. Now click on this setup integration. Okay, now put the site key here and go to the reCAPTCHA website again. Copy the secret key, come back to your WordPress dashboard and put the secret key on this here. Now click save changes. Alright, go to the contact page of yours and refresh it. Here is the option of reCAPTCHA version 3. It's protected by Google. And just like that, you secured your contact form without annoying your users. And if this video saved your time, like this and subscribe our YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorials. And yes, no spam, no stress. See you in the next one.